I'm gonna take a concealer brush. Like, am I filming? Yes, I am. Hello everybody, I guess it's now time for our monthly zodiac sign makeup series, and today I'm gonna feature a look inspired by the zodiac sign Taurus. So if you're interested, in just keep on watching. So I was browsing through my Instagram feed the other day and I came across a look that Linda Hallberg just recently did. It was very, very, very beautiful. So I figured, wow, that's so creative and very different. So I figured it's somehow perfect for this Taurus makeup look because it's very Taurusy. I don't know, at least for me, because it's a little bit fierce looking. But I think I'm gonna do my own twist to the look, and let's just see how this goes. I'm just gonna legit play with makeup, and I have no plans whatsoever. The only thing I know is that I'm inspired by that makeup look, so crossing my fingers. And now let's start with the eye makeup. It's a good old-fashioned makeup tutorial, so I'm taking out my scotch tape and my teeth because I'm lazy like that. And I'm gonna stick it on the back of my hand to somehow minimize the stickiness, because this eye area is very delicate, so you don't need to put some weird stuff there, but for the gram and the YouTube will do everything, and just like that you'll get a sharp clean edge. Make sure that you get the angles really similar, not totally perfect, but at least somehow they look related to each other. And that's when I'm gonna try and do some magic with eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take actually this L'Oreal True Match foundation. This has a satin smooth finish to it, and I'm not gonna use it as foundation. I'm actually gonna use it as an eyeshadow base. And I'm gonna put little dots like that. I'm gonna take a concealer brush like this and use that to carve my eyelids, kinda like a cut crease situation. I think Taurus makeup is more of a fierce version. Don't worry if you get some foundation, or if you're using concealer on your scotch tape, because that will go away once you take it off, and I think that's one of the general purpose why we're using scotch tape. So if you've laid down that eyeshadow base, it's now time to take the star of the show, this shade right here, a golden yellow shimmer shade called LA Sun. I'm just gonna take the same concealer brush that we use to lay down the foundation or the eyeshadow base and stamp it on that same area. This is actually a fusion of Taurus and the house sigil of House Baratheon from Game of Thrones, because I think it's very Taurusy too. Oh, I'm using my Extra Spice palette from Makeup Revolution, and if you are not satisfied, you can go back with your fixing spray to make it on the next level. If you've been watching my videos for a long time now, you all know I don't do some eyeliner looks on my channel just because I don't like the look of eyeliner on my eyes. But today we're gonna risk it. So I'm taking this Careline Graph Ink liner. Just a normal black liquid liner will do, and since we have that sticky tape on, we have a guide, my friends. So I'm just basically start to draw a thin line across my lash line. I find that when I raise my eyebrows like this, it helps create a straight line in this I'm really extending that on the end of the eyeshadow that we created. Oh, right. So I'm gonna extend the outline on this area, carving out that cut crease we made earlier. I'm gonna go back with my liquid eyeliner and trace the outline that we made. Right now we have this weird situation on the eyes. I just added a little bit of that golden yellow shimmer so that it's really intense. I hope the camera is doing that golden yellow shade some justice because it's so amazing in person. And now, so help me God, I'm gonna take more of that liner and create kind of dots on the sides. I don't know. And then on this inner part too. Don't worry if the dots are not evenly sized. Really, just have fun with it. And then on the other side too. Yeah, and I think the eye look is complete. I mean, partially complete. We'll have to add lashes so that the look will go to a whole new level. And let's move on with the rest of the makeup. I'm just gonna take away this scotch tape, and just like that, boom, you have a crisp straight line. Make sure that nothing is weird looking, so touch up on this eyeliner right here. Because I look really crazy now, I'm just gonna start doing my brows. I feel like every single car is passing through our street today and it's annoying. Not so tough, just because I'm in love with an uptown girl. I'm actually gonna mix this too so that we'll have a really dewy base. The focus of the look is not too much on the face but on the eyes. As usual, taking my brush and stamping it on. Concealer is up next. I kept the foundation really light in coverage. I don't care if some of my spots are peeking through because again I want the focus to be on my eye makeup. I've been loving blending out my concealer with brushes lately. Aside from the fact that it's so quick to do, I don't have to wash my beauty sponge. I swear these scars are not here when I'm not filming, but when I start filming, they pop up. So as I was saying, brushes just save my life now because I'm being a lazy girl. You can really get precise with your concealer application. I'm sorry. Alana Davison is getting through to me today, so hence the weird pronunciation. Contouring is now on point, and I'm actually gonna take my Chris Life Kit blush, and just have a pop of mauve on the lips, no, on my cheeks. So there you have it, guys. This is my Taurus inspired makeup, and of course my Linda Hallberg inspired makeup as well. Well, the difference is that in Linda Hallberg's look she used silver, but this time I decided to use gold, and it's still workable. And I spent almost 20 minutes trying to put this goddamn lashes on, and it's not sticking. So sorry if it's fluttering around in the corners. I think it's a beautiful look, and it's so editorial and creative, and I'm glad that I pulled it off. So if you enjoyed watching this tutorial as well and you find this look really pretty, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more creative tutorial looks like this, and I also do natural wearable ones as well. I do everything in between and to the extremes because I love makeup. And of course, don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts. All will be listed down below. Feel free to check me out and give a follow as well. And if you want to recreate this makeup look, tag me in your recreations. I would love to support you and give you a shout out. And I guess I'll see you on my next video, and I'll see you soon. Bye!